Hi there, you found us here at Storytime with Miss Becky. I'm Miss Becky and this is our friend Bear who loves to play games with us. Bear has a question for you. Do you like birthday parties? Well, Pete the cat is having a birthday party right now. He just needs help to get the cupcakes back from Grumpy Toad. Would you come and help us move all the cupcakes from Grumpy Toad's tray to Pete the cat's birthday party table? Yes? Let's try and see if we can. Let's let Bear spin first. He got a 3. Go, Bear. Let's count 1, 2, 3. He landed on a gift box, which means he will act out something for Miss Becky to guess. Bear is moving his legs in circles. You must be riding a bicycle. Yes? Hooray! Bear places 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. Bear's turn is over. Now it's my turn to spin. I spun a 1 and landed on gift box, which means now I will act out something for Bear to guess. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tree? Yes, Bear. Now I get to place 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. My turn is over. Bear's turn. He spins a 1 and lands on ABCs. So he will think of a letter and something that starts with that letter. Bear says C for cupcake. That's right. Bear places 1 cupcake on the birthday table. His turn is over. My turn. I spun a 1 and landed on music. So I will sing part of a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now I get to place 1 cupcake on the birthday table. Bear's turn. Bear spins a 2. Count 1, 2. He lands on Grumpy Toad. Bear says that means Grumpy Toad is still hungry, so Bear must return 1 cupcake to his tray. Bear's turn is over. Now it's my turn. I spun a 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. I landed on gift box. Cup? Right, Bear. Now I get to place 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. My turn is over. It's your turn. Bear spins 1 and lands on gift box. Bear, are you flapping your arms like a bird? Bird? I guessed right. So Bear places 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. And his turn is over. Now it's my turn. I spin a 1 and land on apple. So I have to name something yummy. Pie. Now I get to place 1 cupcake on the birthday table. My turn is over. Now it's Bear's turn. Bear spins 2. Count 1, 2. He lands on gift box. Bear, what are you doing? Are you talking on a phone? I guessed right. And now Bear gets to put 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. And his turn is over. My turn. I spin a 4. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on dog. So I have to name an animal and make it sound. A cow says moo. I get to place one cupcake on the birthday table, and my turn is over. Bear spins 4. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bear lands on gift box. Bear, you look like you're driving a car, right? I'm right. So Bear places the last cupcake on the birthday table. Hooray, we did it! We've returned all the cupcakes. Now we can sing happy birthday to Pete. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Pete, happy birthday to you. Bye for now. Please subscribe.